Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 13x and let me show you how to add a Google account to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Google. Now click on sign in. Provide your screen lock pattern, PIN code, password, fingerprint, whatever you prefer. Make sure that you're connected to any kind of network. It can be Wi-Fi or LTE. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. And as only it is entered, click on next. Now it's time to enter the password. And as only the password is entered, click on next. Now mark if you will be using this device or if it belongs to your kiddo. Click on next. Tap on I agree. Accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added and you can smoothly use it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.